We are going to design this flyer in this video, so let's start. This is the requirement of clients from Fiverr. We put the custom size for blank canvas and the color theme is black and white, so I choose night sky look. Here I say select background color black, then search for night sky, night city, and here scrolling down and we select this one and do little customization. Now it's time to some star in sky. Now search for star and select this one and expand this up to half of page like this, then copy and pasting for another side, then grouping these two and now pasting down. Now search for a moon. This look pretty cool, so put it here like this. Now our background is completed. Now search for helicopter and here we are going to use about 3 to 4 helicopter in design like this. We are adjusting this. We select this one and reduce its transparency up to 14 and in middle this one you can customize the place of helicopter by own. Here we are using like this. The final output is like this. You can put all except the middle helicopter, you can all put them in background. Now let's put the brand name expel, one in background with same transparency and other in front, and adjust other written parts like add a line for separation and we search for straight line in element section and here we find this and we are using like this. Now we selected here the personal aviator and now the last line which is tagline, hire anytime everywhere anywhere. Now if you want then make little adjustment and I think our design is completed. Wait, in bottom the website name, here is we are giving dummy website name. So finally we have completed this. Congratulations, we have completed our design. Last note, if you get some value from this, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe this channel for more videos.